In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts into Smartsheet. Being able to quickly add and manage your contacts in Smartsheet makes it much easier to share sheets, assign tasks, and collaborate with your team. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can build up your contact list with confidence. Let's start from within Smartsheet. Make sure you're logged into your account and have any sheet open. The specific sheet doesn't matter for this process. What we're really interested in is the Smartsheet interface itself. First, look toward the lower right-hand corner of your Smartsheet window. You'll see a small profile icon. This icon typically represents your user account and is where a lot of personal settings and options are stored. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. If you don't see it right away, try making your browser window full screen or zooming out slightly, as the layout can sometimes shift depending on your screen size. Once you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options related to your account. From this list, find and select the option labeled My Smartsheet Contacts. This is the area where you can view, add, and manage the people you regularly work with in Smartsheet. After clicking My Smartsheet Contacts, a contacts window or panel will open. Here, you'll see any existing contacts you've already saved, along with their details. To add a new contact, look for the Add button. It's usually positioned near the top of the contacts window. Click on Add to start creating a new contact entry. When you click Add, Smartsheet will prompt you for the contact's details. Typically, you'll be asked for information like the person's name and email address. Type these in carefully, since this is the information Smartsheet will use when you share sheets, assign tasks, or send notifications. It's a good habit to double check the email address before saving to avoid sending important updates to the wrong person. After you've entered the information, confirm or save the new contact. The contact will now appear in your list under My Smartsheet Contacts. And from this point on, you can easily select them whenever you share a sheet or assign an item. And that's all there is to it. By using your profile icon, opening My Smartsheet Contacts, and clicking Add, you can quickly build a contact list that keeps your collaboration in Smartsheet organized and efficient.